Hello, SOL PE scholars. This is Magister Beck. And Magister Cole and myself for this week, week 27 for physical education for you distance learners, is depending if you can, depending where you live, try to get outside because this week is supposed to be beautiful. I know Monday, this is Sunday, so Monday tomorrow is supposed to be like 72, and then it's supposed to be in the mid to upper 30s, maybe low 40s, and then I think it's supposed to be 60 something on Friday, but it's supposed to be sunny the whole entire week. So try to do your physical activity outside. Try to do something maybe you haven't done in like months because you've been stuck inside. Like I said, it's going to be gorgeous outside, guys. If you can, if you have the opportunity, go outside. If you live in an apartment, I don't just maybe even take a walk. It's going to be so nice out, guys. The sun is going to feel so nice and so good. But yeah, add a little variety this week if you can. Like I said, get outside. It's going to be gorgeous. And that's it, guys. I can't emphasize it enough. Spring is going to be here. It's basically here. So enjoy it. I hope you guys have a great week, and I look forward to your guys' emails. And if you have any questions at all at any time, email myself, Magister Beck, or your other FIA teacher, Magister Cole. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.